The 2026 Apple TV 4K. And what Apple is cooking is straight up insane. This isn't just another refresh. This is the biggest leap the Apple TV has ever taken. And if you love gaming, streaming, smart homes, or just want your TV to feel brand new again, you need to hear every single detail. Stick with me until the very end because I'm saving the shocking price prediction and the exact release window that could drop as soon as next month. Trust me, once you hear this, you won't be able to click away. Let's start with the elephant in the room. The current Apple TV 4K has been rocking the same A15 Bionic chip since 2022. That's literally the same brain as the iPhone 13. It still works great for 4K streaming and Dolby Vision, but let's be real, the interface can feel a little laggy. Gaming is limited to Apple Arcade, and you can feel it getting older every single year. Apple knew this. They stayed quiet for over 3 years on purpose. And now the leaks prove why. The star of the show is the brand new A17 Pro chip. Yes, the exact same powerhouse from the iPhone 15 Pro. We're talking a massive jump, faster CPU, a 6-core GPU with hardware ray tracing, and the ability to run real console-quality games right on your TV. Imagine Resident Evil 4 or Death Stranding running at 4K with realistic lighting and shadows that actually look next-gen. No more Apple Arcade-only excuses. This thing is about to turn your living room into a full-blown gaming rig without you buying a PlayStation or Xbox. And because it's the minimum chip required for Apple Intelligence, Siri is finally getting the massive upgrade we've all been begging for. Picture this. You walk into the room and just say, "Siri, show me action movies with 4K HDR that my whole family will love." And the new Siri actually understands context, pulls from your watch history, checks what everyone in the house likes, and starts playing instantly. No more awkward commands. No more "sorry, I didn't get that." The revamped Siri coming in tvOS 26.4 is going to feel like having a real assistant living inside your TV. And that's only possible because of this A17 Pro brain. But the upgrades don't stop there. Apple is ditching the old Wi-Fi and Bluetooth chips and putting in their brand new custom N1 chip. This is huge. We're talking Wi-Fi 7 support, way faster speeds, lower latency, and rock-solid connections even when your whole house is streaming 4K at once. Bluetooth is getting a serious boost too. So your AirPods, HomePods, and game controllers will pair faster and stay connected without a single drop. Plus, the Thread networking is getting even stronger, which means your Apple TV is about to become the ultimate smart home hub. Lights, locks, cameras, thermostats. Everything talks faster and more reliably through this box. If you've got a HomeKit setup, this one change alone is worth the upgrade. Now here's where it gets even crazier. Multiple leaks, including from Bloomberg, say Apple has been testing a version with a built-in FaceTime camera. Yes, you heard that right. No more balancing your iPhone on the TV stand for family calls. Just tap the remote and boom. Crystal clear 4K video calls with center stage. All built right into the box. The tvOS 26 updates already added new FaceTime features that only make sense if hardware is coming to support them. This could turn your Apple TV into the ultimate living room communication device, especially if you have grandparents or kids away at college. Design-wise, don't expect a total overhaul. The leaks say it's keeping that sleek, super thin black plastic body we all love. Same compact size, same premium feel, but now with way more power inside. Storage options should stay at 64 GB and 128 GB, with the higher model still getting Ethernet. But the real story is how much faster and smoother everything will run with 8 GB of RAM rumored to be inside. Menus will fly, apps will launch instantly, and multitasking will feel like you're using a brand new device. Let's talk about what this actually means for you in real life. If you're a gamer, this is the moment Apple finally gets serious. Ray tracing, high frame rates, console ports, your 65-inch OLED TV is about to become a gaming beast. If you're deep in the Apple ecosystem, the new continuity features are going to blow your mind. Type on your iPhone and see it instantly on the TV. Hand off videos seamlessly. Control everything with one remote. And if you just love movies and shows, Dolby Vision HDR10+. And now even better upscaling thanks to the new chip means every single thing you watch is going to look sharper and more vibrant than ever. Of course, the big question everyone is asking, how much is this going to cost? Analyst Ming Chi Kuo has been saying for years that Apple wants this thing under $100. Yes, under $100. If they hit that sweet spot, this could be the best value Apple product they've ever made, even if it stays around the current $129 to $149 range.